Good day, guys. All right. Today lesson, I like to start up by creating a simple model to give you an idea of what your processes will be when creating things inside SketchUp. On this online version, it's good to start off with modeling a simple metal plate holder. Okay, just to give you an idea how we can or gonna use the different tool in here. In general, I'm trying to use the side and the top tool over here. I will try to talk about which tool we are using as we go along. So to start off, what we're gonna do, we draw a simple rectangle. So you can click on the rectangle tool in order to create a rectangle. Here is the rectangle tool. First thing we're gonna do, as you can see how your mouse turn into this little pencil with a blue box in it. Okay, we just click on the point of origin here and move the mouse upwards direction. Remember not to hold your mouse button down. What I want to do is that I will draw a square 200 by 200. In this situation, what I'm going to do is to type the value 200. You see over here, dimension 200, comma 200. And you press enter key on the keyboard. Okay. When you see this, you see it very small. Not to worry. Just go to zoom extended, click on it, and you have a size bigger. So now we want to start out to make the sample model. Okay, first of all, we put on the top icon, click on it, so you can see you can see it better, clear. Then next, you use your tape measure tool. Okay, tape measure tool, click on this side, one side, click, bring it, oops, okay, click here until you can see the dotted lines, and you type 100, half of the size of the square. Okay, press enter. Next, over here below on the green axis, on the red axis, click, bring up another 100, and you press enter. This tape measure tool is like your marking out. Okay, next, from this half, we divide another half, 50, and from this half, we divide 50. Okay, and we have these drawings. Next, we want to draw a line from here to here, and from here to here. Okay, and from here to here, and join from here to here. What we use a pencil tool or the line tool. This is the line tool, pencil tool. You can see like a pencil. Click here, bring to the point, end point, click, move to the intersection, click, then another one down here, click. Okay, next, you click on this end point, go to the intersection, and click on to the end point here. So, if you see the design, then to see how it is, you go to the ISO icon here, click, and you see the shape. Now, we want to erase these lines and these lines by using the eraser tool. This is called the eraser tool. Okay, then you erase here, this one, and see, this one become white color. Here also, erase. Okay, next, we will be using a circle tools. Okay, click on the circle tools. Okay, then put in the center of the intersection. If, okay, in the event that your circle is not a perfect circle, okay, before you start, okay, I clear this. Before you start, you just type 360 at the side here, okay, 360, then you press enter, okay, then the circle will go to full 360, okay. So once you have the circle icon on, click on the intersection, click size. We were using a diameter of 20 mm. Okay, so the radius you see on the left side of the screen below, right? Okay, here is radius, so you type radius will be 10. Type 10 and press enter. Okay, then you erase, use the select tool. Okay, go to the center of the circle here. You see all the blue lines, the blue small dots. Right click, erase. Okay. Next, what you're going to do is to delete all these guidelines. Okay, these guidelines. How you delete? You can use the eraser tool to delete one by one, or you go to edit, you delete guides. You see all the guides have been deleted. Next, every pieces or every items must have a thickness. So for this, we just use the push-pull tool. Okay, bring the push-pull tool to the surface. Click on it, drag up. We give a thickness of 15 mm. Okay, 15 thickness distance. Then click enter, tap enter, and you have the thickness. Okay, in order to see whether is it okay or not, you use the orbit tool to turn around and watch all the things. The hole is true. Okay, the diameter 20 hole is true. Okay. Next, you use the ISO icon, click, so it's go back to the ISO angle. So for this item, we need to make a group. So if we move these things, okay, move the whole thing, it will move together. Example, I use the move tool. Okay, I want to move this whole workpiece. Okay, so I use the move tool. But when I click on the surface, okay, you see, as you see, the thing is move only the surface, not everything. Okay, here. So I edit, undo move. So what I do is make it a bit smaller using the mouse, scroll it down, zoom down, click on the select tool, click from outside and drag. Okay, clear outside and drag, clear. You see all the surface and the side perimeter all turn to blue. Okay, then right click, make groups. Okay, then you pen it, make it in the middle. Right, this is the first sample of the metal plate holder. We will move on to making another copy in the next video tutorial.